Hey guys, Parker John here. So yeah guys, we did a little bass fishing today, and I let this guy reel in the first one. Then I don't know why he did that, because then he outfished me.
They're big too.
Yeah, he's on fire, man. Got the nephew out fishing for bass, and it was fun, man. So yeah guys, he's still working on that drone footage that I promised you. But it's amazing, man. So hopefully this week he'll try. He's got no excuses. He's off school now,
yeah,
and he only works a couple days a week, so he could get the shit done for us. What do you think?
Yeah, I'll probably have it done like later on today.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Oh yeah, actually.
I heard that last Sunday.
I just need to line up all the video with the sounds.
Anyways, he needs a secretary, I guess, to plan his summer.
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah, Parker. Woohoo! Yeah, buddy. See that fish jump? You got it, buddy. You got it. Nice fish, buddy. Nice fish. Good job. Okay, bring it here. You're good. Okay. That one's all on your own, man. The bigger fish. Beautiful, man. Thank you. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's fantastic. Okay, so this that's a good one, buddy. That's a good one. No, you're good. That's a good one. Maybe 3 pounds. There we go. Oh. Here, bud. Get back casting, buddy. Oh, you got him, buddy. You got him, buddy. Oh, that's a good one, eh? Okay. They just wanted to get it, buddy. Give him some oil. You gotta hold it, man. You gotta hold it tight. Come to the guys up. Hold it good. Anyways, guys, love yous all. Be positive. Don't be negative. I'll put that up on there.